In this video, we'll walk through the basics of selecting the correct diagnostic cable and connecting it to the Data Link Connector, DLC, on off-highway equipment. Using a Volvo Penta application as an example, you'll learn how to identify the proper cable and establish a reliable connection before beginning diagnostics. From the Start screen, select the Off-Highway application, then select the Diagnosis icon, and choose Industrial Engines. Then scroll down and select Volvo Penta. In this training video, we're using a Volvo Penta engine as an example to show how to connect OE cables to the equipment. Next, select the Tier 4 Stage 5 engine application. On the main diagnostic screen, select Diesel Injection. Beside the Start icon, you'll see a blue video icon. Click the icon to open the DLC information screen. Here you'll find the required diagnostic cable, the VCI power connection to the battery, and pictures and videos showing the DLC location on the equipment you're servicing. This functionality is integrated into the TEXA IDC6 platform across supported vehicle and equipment manufacturers. For more information, the latest software updates, or product support and sales, please contact us using the details displayed on the screen.